Hello, my name is Johnny. Welcome to another World War II 172 scale. Today we're going to take a look at a Caesar's miniature for World War II Partisans in Europe. If you'd like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, reply, and share. Let's take a look at the package here. These guys are probably done up somewhat generic, so they could be French and all the way on the Eastern Front in the Balkans. There's some other World War II ones that they have listed. I've done a few reviews on their kits before. They're pretty nice. Mix. Package. Let's start looking. This one's unusual here. We've got a nun. Lay it down. Yeah. Kind of nice. Partisan with a gun. No cap. Let's see his face, his hair. They probably look pretty good. Got the one that's in the prone position. Cap on. It's a light machine gun on a bipod. The fella throwing a small grenade. Holding a gun. Cap. Nice pouch on there. So they have a fair amount of designs. There's one with another cap. Well, look at his profile there, and his nose and his ear. They did a pretty good job, and nice folds on the clothes he's wearing. Another one kind of laying low, gonna throw something. Standard rifle. Look at this guy. He's long hair and a beard. They have a pretty good variety of figures. And then there's going to be a fair amount of duplicates. This guy's squatting down. So these would make for nice dioramas, and if you have a situation in a war game, we could have them on there too. They come out of the woods or something. That looks like a female figure. Oh, there's a different one. There's someone holding someone wounded. It's a smaller figure, so it's either a large child or a woman. Those will be straightened up. Right now they're bent, being in the package. There's a different pose on this one, kind of nice. So when I base these up, they go on little terrain bases. These would probably be like a wood. This one's kind of neat. There's probably a somewhat older or middle-aged village woman. She's got a basket on her head. She's carrying that way. A little bit different. Another of the nun figures. I think that's a sort of resin extra. Sometimes in here they give you a couple of resin figures. There we go. Detail there. Got something in his hand. Alright, pretty nice. They just come in a bag and in the box. So they could make it the packaging smaller, but you don't want to make it too small. Alright, so that was a look at some nice figures for World War II you might consider for your own use. Till next time, more World War II 1/72 scale. Thanks for watching, everyone.